Hi, I'm Neil Pritchard, Head of Business Change. I'm here to explain why we're carrying out the repairs to the Southern runway. And in light of the impacts of COVID-19, we've chosen to do these works now while we're experiencing lower flight volumes, meaning less impact on our local communities and less disruption to our operation. In order to carry out the repairs, we'll need to close the Southern runway at different periods of time. These works will be carried out in two distinct phases. Phase 1. These works are being carried out during the daytime whilst we have extended access to the runway. On some parts of the runway, the works will be deep. They are further below the surface level than we would normally have the opportunity to access without forcing a prolonged closure, due to the timescales involved to repair, reinstate and for the materials used to cure. Phase 2. These works are significantly less impactful and will be conducted overnight as we return to dual runway operations and reinstate the alternation pattern. The works are more like maintenance, treating the defects on the surface of the runway and won't be intrusive like the works in Phase 1. The impacts of the local community is something we have very much considered in our planning, and we recognise this may still be disruptive to our local community. However, by carrying out repairs now, whilst flight volumes are significantly lower than normal, this provides us with the opportunity to carry out the works in the most efficient and effective way, leading to less disruption in the future.